If you just bought a new drone, you might want to return it. Seriously. Because the supply chain leaks that just dropped regarding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro are absolutely staggering, and they are about to shake the entire drone industry to its core. We are talking about a sub-250-gram drone packing an unprecedented stack sensor, mind-blowing 6K video capabilities, a next-generation miniaturized LiDAR night vision system, and a revolutionary high-energy battery that pushes flight time to a completely unbelievable 60 minutes. And here is the absolute craziest part of all, it still manages to stay under the strict weight limits, completely bypassing standard FAA registration for hobbyists in the United States. Welcome back to Tap Tech, your undisputed headquarters for authentic, no-nonsense tech deep dives. We strip away the corporate marketing fluff and dig straight into the cold, hard facts to help you make the absolute smartest gear choices. Today, we are breaking down every single verified leak, patent filing, and insider rumor surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. You are going to want to stick around until the very end of this video, because the leaked pricing structure and the official 2026 release roadmap we uncovered will completely change your mind if you are planning to buy a camera drone anytime soon. Let us get right into it. Let us start with the most massive upgrade that has the entire filmmaking and creator community buzzing right now, the camera and sensor payload. Historically, the Mini series has been about compromise. You sacrifice a bit of image quality for ultimate portability. But DJI is throwing that rulebook out the window. According to recent internal leaks and credible supply chain reports, the Mini 6 Pro is stepping up to a massively advanced 1-inch stack CMOS sensor. A stack sensor architecture processes image data exponentially faster, meaning rolling shutter, that annoying jelly effect during quick pans, is virtually eliminated. Furthermore, the low-light performance is expected to be industry-defining. We are talking about capturing clean, noise-free, cinematic footage in the dead of night, illuminated only by streetlights or the moon. But the resolution bump is where things get truly insane. The leaks strongly indicate that the Mini 6 Pro will be capable of shooting 6K video at 30 frames per second, and crystal clear 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. For creators in the US and Europe, 6K video is the ultimate cheat code, providing incredible flexibility to crop, reframe, or add post-production camera movements while delivering a pristine 4K final master. On top of that, there are strong rumors of a dual-camera system making its way into the Mini 6 Pro chassis, featuring a dedicated medium telephoto lens. Imagine having the optical compression and cinematic background blur of a 48mm lens, right in the palm of your hand. It turns the Mini 6 Pro from a simple travel drone into a professional multi-tool for high-end client work and cinematic storytelling. Now, let us talk about how you are actually going to protect this powerhouse, because the safety tech is getting a generational leap. The rumors suggest that the Mini 6 Pro will feature a fully miniaturized, next-generation LiDAR nightscape system. Traditional drone vision sensors rely entirely on ambient light. If it is dark, they simply turn off. LiDAR changes the game by firing microscopic laser pulses to map the environment in real-time 3D. This means the Mini 6 Pro will have omnidirectional obstacle avoidance even in absolute, pitch-black darkness. You could confidently fly this drone through a dense, unlit forest at midnight, and the onboard AI would gracefully weave it through the branches without a single scratch. This level of autonomous safety has never been seen in a consumer drone of this size, and it completely opens up the possibilities for safe night flying, tracking subjects in the dark, and getting shots that were previously too risky to attempt. And that brings us to the most crucial aspect of the entire DJI Mini lineup, the weight. The absolute magic of the Mini 6 Pro is that DJI is packing all of this flagship-level technology, the stack sensor, the dual cameras, the LiDAR system, into an aircraft that weighs exactly 249.9 grams. 4.6. Viewers in the US, UK, and Canada, you know why this magic number is critical. By staying under 250 grams, recreational flyers can completely bypass FAA registration and the bureaucratic headaches of remote ID compliance. But it is not just a massive benefit for hobbyists. For licensed Part 107 professional pilots in the US, a sub-250-gram drone is legally classified under Category 1 for operations over people. This means you can legally fly the Mini 6 Pro over crowds, at weddings, and in dense urban environments where flying a heavier Mavic 3 Pro or an Air 3 would result in massive fines or require impossible to get FAA waivers. The Mini 6 Pro is not just a high-end travel drone, it is a legally bulletproof loophole that allows professional operators to capture premium footage that is otherwise legally restricted. Of course, to fly confidently in those complex urban environments, you need a flawless connection. That is why the DJI Mini 6 Pro is stepping up to the brand new 05 transmission system. Upgrading significantly from the 04 system, 05 is heavily optimized for absolute interference resistance. The leaks point to an absolutely staggering 25-kilometer maximum range. While you must maintain visual line of sight legally, this massive transmission power means signal penetration is phenomenal. If flying in heavy interference zones like downtown Manhattan or central London, surrounded by competing Wi-Fi and steel skyscrapers, 05 ensures your video feed remains crystal clear and lag-free. Another surprising leak is the battery life. Keeping a drone under strict weight limits usually means sacrificing capacity, but DJI has reportedly made a massive breakthrough for 2026. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature a new high-energy solid-state hybrid battery. The standard battery will reportedly give you an incredible 45 minutes of flight time, keeping you strictly under the legal weight limit. But if you do not mind going over the weight limit and registering the drone, the new Intelligent Flight Battery Plus is rumored to push the flight time to an unbelievable 60 minutes. A full hour of uninterrupted flight time on a single charge. This fundamentally changes how you plan a video shoot. You can launch your drone, scout your location, find the perfect framing, and shoot the entire sunset during golden hour without ever having to bring the drone back to swap batteries. So, with all of these groundbreaking features, the ultimate question is, should you wait for the DJI Mini 6 Pro? Based on the latest supply chain roadmaps and FCC patent filing timelines for 2026, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is slated for a global release in the third quarter of this year. The leaks suggest the base model will start at around $949. The Flymore combo is expected to retail for around $1,499. Considering this drone pack's features reserved for massive professional rigs, that price is a steal. That officially wraps up today's exclusive hardware deep dive here on TapTech. If this video helped you stay ahead of the curve, smash the like button and hit subscribe so you never miss our authentic tech reviews. Thank you so much for spending your time with us, keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity, and we will catch you in the next TapTech breakdown.